Today, I'm going to be teaching you 4 things. 1. How to install Next.js. 2. How to install it directly into the folder. 3. Choosing the right options to install Next.js. And 4. How to start the development server. So, let's get started. Before we get started, I need you to know that you need to have Node.js installed. If you do not have Node.js installed, then you will not be able to follow along what we are about to do in the tutorial. To install Node.js, all you need to do is go to the description below and click on the video that will show you how to install Node.js. But if you already have Node.js installed, then you can keep watching this video. So let's start creating our Next.js project. First, I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to call this project Car Dealership. Now, I'm going to open up this folder in VS Code. To do that, go to File, click Open Folder. Go to where the folder is, select the folder, and click Select Folder to open it up in VS Code. Next, we need to open the terminal in VS Code. To do that, go to Terminal, click New Terminal. Wait for it to start up. And now, we can create our Next.js app. To do that, type in the command npx create -next-app. Now normally you would type in the name of the project, but that would create a new folder in which your app would be installed. But we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to install this app in our current folder. To do that, all we need to do is type in dot. This will make sure that our app is installed in the current folder. Now it's going to ask you if you want the following packages to be installed. Type Y and press enter. Now it's going to ask you if you want to install TypeScript. Choose no if you're making an app for practice. Choose yes if you're making an app for your client. For yes linked, choose yes. Now choose yes if you want to use Tailwind CSS. No if you do not want to. Choose yes for source directory. Choose yes for app router. Choose no for import aliases. And now the installation will begin. Our project is installed. To run this, I'm going to type in the command npm run dev and press enter. Okay, so our app is running on localhost 3000. As you can see, our Next.js app is up and running. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.